How to unblock someone in Google Chat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unblock someone in Google Chat. For this, you want to open the Google Chat app on your device. Make sure to sign into your Google account. If you have mistakenly blocked someone and you want to unblock it, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings option. You have different settings here. Under the Manage Blocking section, you have 2 options. The first one is Manage Blocked Users in Chat. The second one is Manage Blocked Spaces and Chats. You want to tap on the first one, which is Manage Blocked Users in Chat. Now it will open up in a web browser. Here you will be able to view all of your blocked users. If you want to unblock someone, all you want to do is tap on this cross icon. As soon as you do that, the account will be unblocked. Now, if you head back, as you can see, that account is again visible over here. In the future, if you want to block that account again, simply tap on their username. Then tap on the option of Block and Report User. Tap on the block option and that account will be successfully blocked. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.